All right, so 4a, we're looking at definite integrals. So it's a definite integral when you have limits of integration. So that means we're going to have a number answer, right? So this is going to be a number answer. And so it's a polynomial, so that's great. That means we can take each term individually and find the antiderivative of each term and add and subtract accordingly. So we can go ahead straight and do that. So the antiderivative of 1 is just x. The antiderivative of 4x, remember we have to add 1 to the exponent, so it's going to be x squared. And then whatever's in front now has to be divided by that new exponent. Oops, that's a plus I missed. And then minus, this is going to be, again, we add 1 to the exponent, and then we divide by that new exponent. And then we evaluate that. So you usually show that evaluation from -1 to 1 with a big long straight line here. And that's kind of how that looks. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. And the first part is filling in a 1. So this is just 2, I guess. So 2 times 1 squared. And this is 1 cubed over 3, which is just 1/3. And then we subtract, right? It's f of capital F, antiderivative of a, evaluated, and then subtracted from, and then minus, right, antiderivative of b. So it's this one minus this one, right, when we do that. So then to -1 there, plus 2 times -1 squared, minus -1 cubed over 3. So we'll have to be careful with our signs here, it looks like. So this is 1 plus 2, that's 3 minus 1/3. So that's 9 over 3, which is what 3 is, minus 1/3. I'll get a common denominator there. This is -1 plus 2. And this is going to be minus a -1 over 3, or plus 1/3. So this is, 1 is 3 over 3. 2 is 6 over 3. So if I get all common denominators, that's 8 over 3 minus, and that's a negative, right? -3 plus 6 is 3, plus 1 is 4 over 3. How about that? 4 over 3? Is that the answer that's expected? Okay. So that's how that one works. And it gets tricky here, maybe just be careful with your signs and stuff.
I think I put -1 minus +1. So I got like -10 over 3. So I got
over here.
I plugged in the variables wrong. I did the
Okay.
1 on that side.
Oh, I see. Did the -1 over here?
-1
Okay. Yeah, always start with the top one. Always start with the top one. Top one always start with. Great. That's good. We've got that cleared up. Anybody else? Good for now?